Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is a Mastering Creativity. It's a page where we can be able to teach you how to improve your graphic design, how you can learn how to improve your graphic design. So we are going to teach you a topic today: basic image edit. The basic image edit have to do with how you can be able to crop and to resize your image, how you can be able to adjust your color, brightness and contrast. Now for you to do that, you have to import a picture in before you can be able to do anything. Now for you to import a picture in, you have to go to your file menu, click on your file menu and click on your open. Now when click on your open, you can select any picture of your size of your choice and you click on open. Then the picture will be imported in. Now looking at this picture, you see that this layer here is locked. You have to unlock this layer before you can be able to do anything with it. For you to unlock this layer, that is where your cropping come in. So for you to crop, you need to go to your menu bar here, which you select, you click on your rectangular tool and then you crop the picture on the edge where you want to work with. Now having done that, for you to cut, you have to go to your edit and you click on your cut picture. Then you can click on your Ctrl V to paste the picture back and you drop your tool. Now if you look at this image has been removed from the previous layer. Now for you to do this, you have to create a new layer where you can be able to select your paper size and then you can be able to resize your image to fit in with the paper size. So for you to do that, you have to go to your file menu and you click on your new, and then your new layer set is out here. So you come back to your preset size and you click on your custom and then you select your paper size. You can use a jumbo size, you can use your frame size, which is 5x7, or you can use your 8x10. If you decide to make use of your 8x10, which is a jumbo size for instance, now mind you, your width here is 8 while your height is 10. This means that your size will be portrait size. This is your layer will be portrait. But for you to make your layer a landscape, you need to highlight the 8, you change the 8 to 10 while you change the height to 8. So if you have done this and you click OK, you will discover that you have your paper size as a landscape. Since the image here, it has to be landscape for you to get it right. So from here, you drag your image from your previous layer to your new layer and you leave it. You can see how small it becomes. So for you to fit in this image to this size for this layer, then you have to hold down your shift key and your alternative key down, and then you crop this picture. You drag it from the edge to fit in the new layer. Having done this, you leave it and you press your enter key so that your line here need to be free. So when you have it here, you balance it. Now you can see that there is a space left here which this image have not fit in. For you to do this, to enable you not to cut this main picture out, you just need to work on the background. So for you to work on this background to fill out this space, you have to click on your rectangular tool and then you come back to your background there and crop that background a little. Crop the background the way you can be able to fit it in. Then you right click on it and then you use your layer via cut or layer via copy, any one of your choice. Having done that, you need to drop your rectangular tool. Then you can drag this size here up to fill up this space here. So having done this, you have to press your enter key to free this line here. So it has to be a dot line. Having done that, you now click on your first layer, which you right click on it and you see it as layer 2 and you click on this. Then you have to merge this layer with, you can see, if you still look at this, you merge the layer. You can see that the layers are different, so you merge this image with the one that you have already cropped so that you can be able to make it as one. So if you balance your image and you decide to say you want to you merge the picture together, then you go back to your image, your layer, sorry, then you come to your merge visible. That means this image has been merged together, so you can see that you have it as one now. Then from there you now go back to how you can be able to adjust your color. So looking at this, if you come to your image here, you'll be able to see your color adjustment. Now you come down to this level. This your level here will give you a chance to increase your brightness, your rate, your contrast also. Now if you look at this, you can see a combination. Your channel here give you a combination of 3 color: red, green and blue. So for you to do anything here, if you are increasing your channel here, now you'll be able to see that you are adding those 3 colors together at the same time. So if you are done with that and you decide to say, okay, yes, you want to maybe give it a single color, to bring a single color out, then you have to pull down here, and you can select any color of your choice. Could be red, could be green, it could be blue, depending on any one you want to use. And then you can increase your size. You can see how it becomes. So this your output here will give you a brightness on that. You can see how it goes. Now you can also either increase this. Now this one have to do with your work. You are increasing the brightness of the image. That is what you have here. Now looking at this old picture and the new picture, you'll be able to realize that this you have already edited a picture here, and you say okay. Once it's okay, then you say okay, you look at these 2 different pictures here, you'll be able to tell that there is a difference here with what you have done. This is why you can be able to edit your image color, how you can be able to increase the brightness, how you can be able to increase any color of your choice. So your new layer, if at all, if you are to increase the brightness or the contrast of your picture, this is how you work on it. Thank you very much for watching this page. We will urge you to subscribe to this channel so that you can be able to get more video on this.